Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Prayash Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive kalamkari with shibori, some cut works. These are all exclusive which I'm going to show. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount. So let's display the sari. This is the sari number 1, and as you can see on the pallu there is a hand paint kalamkari. I'll just show you the detailing of this one. So just see how neatly it's done. It's all done by hand. It's a Kalahasti pen kalamkari on the pallu and BP, and this is the body. So this is the shaded, as you can see the leaf designs is all shaded. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari and all over body. Just have a look. I'll show you the detailing of this leaf. So as you can see the shaded. So this is the all over body and the pallu. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is full plain kalamkari. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the sari number 2, and the base color is a sea green, and again the hand paint kalamkari with the corner to corner design. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. Just have a look. So I'll just show you the detailing of this painting. So how neatly and clearly done, and it's all inside. In each and every flower there is a shaded. So this is the corner to corner design. The pallu is there. And blouse. So this is a BP full sleeves and back work. So this is a BP comes with the sari. Now let's move to the another one. So this is again the same pattern. It's a pallu and BP will remain same. It's a hand kalamkari and the body will shaded. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over body. Just have a look. I'll show you the detailing again. So the base color, as you can see, the multicolor shaded with the leaves also. See the pallu and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Black and grey combination, as you can see, it's not actually a black, it's a deep grey. The base color, it's a deep grey, and the shaded inside, as you can see the shades of grey. It's again a corner to corner design. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is again the same corner to corner design. So just have a look. So this is the So this is the pallu of the sari. Again I'll show you the detailing of this painting. So as you can see the how neatly and has been done. So this is all hand pallu, and the blouse is full back and sleeves work. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Let's move to the cutwork sari. So this is again a hand painting on the pallu, as you can see, and all over body mica work. And just have a look. So all design highlighted with the Ari Zari work, full design, and there is a cutwork also. It's a very special sari. I'll just show how it will look. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is all over body. I'll just show you the detailing of this scarpa design. The base color is a jet black. I'll just show you the pallu. So just see the pallu design with the cut work, with mica work, and the blouse is full kalamkari. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Just have a look. This is the blouse piece. More hand painting with the cut work. So as you can see the full pallu, and the upper border is a cut work. I'll just show you the detailing of this figure painting on the pallu with the peacock. Just see the color shading inside, and with cut work and mica work. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the upper part, the design, and there is a temple design which comes to the upper part. I'll just show you the detailing of this work, full cut work. Just see the pallu of the sari, and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is again a floral hand paint on the pallu border both side, and the cut work I'll show you. Just see the design. The cut work has been done how neatly for the full sari like this, all over the design, all tree branches highlighted with the cut work, and you can see the mica work is also there. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari. The pallu of the sari, and this is the upper border. I'll show you the detailing again. Show you the detailing of this cut work. So the base cut is a jet black, and just see the blouse. Blouse also full design highlighted with the cut work and mica work. This is the BP comes with the sari. Let's move to the tussar print. So as you can see, it's a 3D shaded. As you can see, the deep gray with the rani and orange, and on the skirt there is a hand block discharge print. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just see the pallu of the sari. There is no separate pallu. It's all skirt design. I'll just show you the detailing of this print. So it's a black and off-white combination. It will come to the skirt and full body like this. So how it will look, I'll just show. So very pretty color combination. So this is the look of the sari. And the blouse contrast. So this is the PP comes with the sari. With another one, so this is a print on the pallu. It's a kalamkari print, and the body also you will find the floral design all over. So this is a print, not hand painting. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is all over floral design. So this is the all over look of the sari, and just see the pallu. So there is a peacock design which comes with the pallu, and the blouse is the main attraction. Blouse is also full kalamkari print. So this is the BP comes with the sari. To the shibori on zari border tussar. So the base color, as you can see, it's a deep gray, and the new shibori we call because of the needle work. So you'll find there is a needle mark all over the design. So this is the pallu and border. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the both side. Just have a look. And the blouse, this is the full blouse comes with the sari. It's a shibori blouse. This is again the same design in different combinations. So this is the green, and the design will remain same. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. So this is the design. And blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Let's move to the another shibori. So there is a three part. As you can see, the pallu is red, and again the it's a deep gray, and the third part which will come to the pleats, it's again a shibori. So there is a three part. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the second half, and I'll just show how it will look when you get the sari. So this design which comes with the pleats. So this is the look of the sari and blouse. So this is the BP comes with the sari. Move to the tussar kota with the kalamkari hand painting. It's again the corner to corner. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. It's a pure tussar kota. I'll show you the detailing. Just see the color shading inside, and this is the pallu of the sari. So tussar kota pure, and this is the BP. This is the blouse comes with the sari. So thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount. And COD facility is available only in Central Kolkata. For other states we have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So thank you so much and keep share the video.